In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Facebook as a payment method with this full guide for 2026. To get started, open Facebook either in your web browser or in the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Then sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the correct Facebook account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or business-related account. Once you're inside Facebook, look for your profile picture and click on it to open the main account menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll need to find the section for Payments or MetaPay. The exact label can vary depending on your region, your device, or the version of Facebook you're using, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. After you open the payment settings, look for the option that says Add Payment Method. Select it and then choose PayPal from the available payment options. This tells Facebook that you want to link your PayPal account for purchases, donations, or other supported payment activity on the platform. At this point, a PayPal login window should appear. Sign in to your PayPal account using your email address and password. If PayPal asks you to complete a security step, such as a verification code or confirmation prompt, go ahead and finish that before moving on. This is a normal part of the connection process and helps protect your account. After signing in, PayPal will show you the permissions Facebook is requesting. Take a moment to review that information so you understand what access is being authorized. If everything looks correct, click Agree or Authorize to continue. Then wait a few moments while Facebook and PayPal complete the linking process. You should see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. If you want PayPal to be your main payment option going forward, return to the payment settings section after the account is linked. Find your saved payment methods, select PayPal as your preferred or default payment method, and save your changes. This optional step can make future transactions faster since Facebook will automatically use PayPal when applicable. And that's it. Your PayPal account should now be connected to Facebook as a payment method. If you don't see PayPal as an option, it may not be available in your region or on that specific Facebook feature yet. In that case, try updating the app or checking again from a desktop browser.